Hello to all my dear code lovers. Today we will solve basic and quite simple question from beginner level in CodeChef, which is find remainder problem. So let's tackle it. To solve any kind of problem, you should follow 3 steps basically. Step 1. Read and understand the problem clearly, carefully and completely. Step 2. Try to trace out the logic of the problem. This is the most crucial step, and here is where you should use your brain more than 100%. At the beginning it seems a bit hard, but if you keep on working on it, then you can definitely tackle even a difficult problem within less time. When comes to step 3, after getting logic, write code choosing your own language. You can build a code in whatever language that you are comfortable with. These are basically 3 steps that every beginner should follow. The question is, write a program to find the remainder when an integer a is divided by the integer b. Okay, when two integers are getting divided, you should find the remainder for those integers. Okay. And in order to understand the question clearly, you should read input and output and then constraints and then example. And what is the input? The first line contains an integer t, the total number of test cases. Then t lines follow, each line contains two integers a and b. Okay, the input is saying that in the first line you should take the input of t, which is a test case, and for each test case you will form input lines, and for each t line you will take two integers a and b. This is all about input. Okay, you understood input. Then when comes to output, for each test case find the remainder when a is divided by b and display it in a new line. Okay. After taking input, for each t line you have taken a and b as input, right? So you are going to find remainder between those a and b integers, and you are going to display them in a new line as output. Okay. Then when comes to constraints, the range of t should be from 1 to 1000 and the range of a and b should be from 1 to 10,000. You can understand the importance of input and output when comes to example. So let us read and understand the example clearly. In the given example, the number of test cases are 3. So 3 times you will take 2 numbers and you should find remainders of those numbers. Okay. And the input is 3 in the first line, and in the second line 1 and 2, in the third line 100, 200, and in the fourth line 10 and 40. Okay. Since the first line is test case, you are not going to do any operation on it because it already formed 3 lines of inputs where you have taken a and b. So you will use a mod operator here to find the remainder of two integers. And in the first line a value is 1 and b value is 2, where 1 mod 2 will be the 1. By doing mod operation you will get the actual remainder. And when comes to second line, a value is 100 and b value is 200, where the remainder between them will be 100. And when comes to third line, a value is 10 and b value is 40, and where the remainder between them will be 10, because you cannot divide 10 by 40. So the remainder will be 10. So the code is quite simple. Write code, click on submit button and choose Python language from your IDE. First, you should take the input of test cases. So t equal to end of input. For every test case, you should take two inputs, a and b. So for this, you will use, I'm using while loop. While t not equal to 0, you will take the values of a and b. I'm using here map, where map function helps us to map the values and integer, the data type of the AND B will be integers, so I am taking the data type as int input.split. By using input method you will take input, and by using split method you will split those corresponding values, and map will help us to map those corresponding values. Suppose if you take A value as 10 and B value as 20, by using input method you will take those values. By using split methods these two values get separated, and by using map method these two separated values will get mapped to their corresponding variables. Okay, to find remainder I am using the remainder variable r, so r will be equal to a mod b. Now displaying r by printing r, so here to print r I am using print method in Python. And in order to do this again and again you need to decrement t by 1 for each and every iteration. So decrement t for next iteration, so that this while loop continues until t becomes 0. Now the code looks perfect. Run the code by giving custom input and submit by confirming OK. If you get any errors, try to solve them. I know clearing errors is the most annoying task if you don't understand where the problem in your code is. As a programmer or developer or code lover, you should figure out that error by learning about it and gaining some knowledge. You cannot gain knowledge within the blink of an eye. You should keep working on it so that you will get knowledge through experience. So try to focus on it. If you are unable to solve any kind of error, let me know in the comment box so that I can help you in solving them. If you like our video and don't wanna miss any update from us, then like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.